this is a really easy dish. You remember I made my Instant Pot brown rice, and I always make it where it's not exactly totally done, but it is edible. That way I can do this to it. So I put some frozen broccoli in here, and then I put some of my brown rice in there, and it's all steaming together. Seasoned it up with some Creole seasonings. Mix that together, and as soon as the broccoli's done, I can eat. This is going to be about a 5 or 6 minute meal. It takes a little while for the steam to come up to what it needs, and then after that, about 5 or 6 minutes, and then it is done. Really easy rice meal with broccoli. This is about as simple as you can get. Steamed broccoli and rice.